This 2020 Thor motor coach Omni BH35 is a Class C RV. It is located in Opelousas, Louisiana, 70570 and is offered for sale by Courvelle's RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Thor motor coach is 36 feet 10 inches in length and features Sleep's 8, carbon monoxide detector, stove top burner, water heater, TV, DVD player, Skylight, oven, LP detector, microwave, smoke detector, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bath and a half, outdoor entertainment. This 2020 Thor motor coach Omni BH35 is built on a Ford 550 chassis and is powered by a Powerstroke engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.